everybody. Today our food with the eggplant without meat. Let's start. First step, I add some oil and one piece of potato. I mix it for 20 seconds. After add the onion with the green pepper with the red pepper. Mix it and leave it in the medium heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I add some frozen vegetable, pea with carrot with corn, mix it together and leave it for 2 minutes more. In this step, I add 1 small spoon of black pepper with 1 small spoon of salt. I mix it and I leave it in the low fire for 10 minutes. In this step, I cut the eggplant like circle in this way, small piece. Step with a small spoon or a small knife, cut it inside and put it in the water to not change the color, to go to another step. Sure, this one we will not throw, we will cut a small piece and we will add to our vegetable and leave it in the low heat again 10 minutes more. After 10 minutes, I take it out from the fire and I leave it to be completely cold. Here I have 2 pieces of egg. I add 1 big spoon of flour. I mix it well. I add more little water and 1 more big spoon of flour. I mix it very well. Now I add 1 small spoon of dry red chili. I mix it well and I add our vegetable. After get cold, I mix it very well and I go to start to fry. In this step, I add 1 spoon of oil. I add the eggplant and for each one I put 1 big spoon of our mixed vegetable. I cover and I leave it for each side around 2 minutes. We continue in this way till we finish all. In this step I will make the sauce. Can serve with which sauce you like it. I like to serve with tahini sauce. I add 2 big spoons of lemon with 1 big spoon of sauce and pasta tahini with 2 big spoons of yogurt. I mix it well. I add 1 small spoon of salt. Like this, our food will be ready for served. Hope everybody liked our food today. It's delicious. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.